I'm in Osage County in Pawhuska. I'm here at the Osage Nation Senior Citizen Residential Living Area, and we have a greenhouse here, and Jo West is next to me. She is one of our first master gardeners to ever go through the training. The Osage Nation paid for her to go through the training, and she's got a very green thumb, and I just wanted her to tell a little bit about what you're doing here.
Okay, we have a gazebo area with some plants in it. This is basically for our senior residents, and so they can come over. It's a recreational area for them to come and relax. That's what the gazebo is for. Come and sit and have
That's wonderful.
A little tea or whatever. And then we have our flower bed that we grow some of the plants that we grew inside the greenhouse. Some of them have been started from seed, and then some we've purchased for like our grand opening. We just have opened this particular greenhouse in March.
That's wonderful.
Yes, it was built in March 30th was our grand opening. Our chief, Jeffrey Standing Bear, came and did the ribbon cutting and opened it for us. And we have a little table in front that we can go out and take breaks, our workers, and then of course we have the plants inside.
And what do you do with all your plants that you grow?
Well, like I said, the flowers, some of the vegetables, I've put out in our little flower bed. I've got a little raised bed that I have tomatoes and one pepper plant in. And then this red tub on the side, that's full of herbs. It has basil, lemongrass, oregano, parsley, and thyme in it. And it's doing really well. So what we do with the herbs, if we have an abundance of them, plants, small plants, quite a few, we give them away. So the elders, the seniors, can come over here if they want a basil plant. They just come over and ask for a basil plant, and I give it to them.
May we look inside?
Absolutely, come on. Let's go have a look. This is the herb section. We have some rosemary, a couple of cilantro plants left, oregano, parsley, sage, basil, one jalapeno plant, a little bit of lettuce, lavender, chives, and peppermint. And then, of course, tomato plant.
That's wonderful. And some of these you started from seed?
Yes, absolutely.
Well, now how long have you been gardening?
I've been gardening, well, I think I started actually in 2004 when I took a class at Tulsa Technology Center. It was horticulture and landscaping. And that's where I really got involved with the herbs. My instructor would just feed me all kinds of magazines because he knew that's what my interest was. So.
Oh, that's great. You've been doing that so long.
I love it. I love the herbs.
Yeah. Well, this is wonderful what you're doing here, what the Osage Nation is doing, encouraging the elders to use herbs because it's add a lot of nutrition, and then also some more fresh fruits and vegetables. And I really appreciate you showing me this today.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
I've enjoyed it.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.